Welcome back. Today, we're going to burn a DVD using the command line. We're actually going to be booted into the Linux Mint encrypted USB, which is pre-installed, but I'm going to show you how to burn your own ISO image. So if you download a Linux installer or live image, you can use this command and you can burn your own DVD. Let's try it out. So we have our Linux Mint encrypted USB stick installed and actually booted right now. Let's take a look at the screen and see what we got going here. Okay, I used the lsblk command to show all of our devices, our storage devices, and also take a look at that one. That's actually our DVD burner. Now, you may not have a DVD burner on your laptop, or you might. If you have a laptop from us, you might have one. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do, of course, is download your ISO image. In our case, I'm using the Linux Mint ISO as an example. So what we will do after that is we'll want to verify it. So what you'll do is I use GPG to verify it, but I'm just going to show you real quick the command you'd use to use the checksums to validate that download and ensure it matches. So we have it on the site right here. And we can see that the output from SHA 256 sum, which is the checksum we're using, it starts with 2. And then we can see over here, and look at that, it matches right up. See that? You have to make sure it matches. Now, if you've been following, you'll know that I told you that if you use checksums, try using an alternative mirror to verify that checksum against your download from a separate download mirror. That's just a little trick you can use to ensure that if an attacker had replaced the ISO image, they wouldn't have a chance to switch out those checksums from a different mirror. Now that we're through the verification, we'll probably go over the GPG verification later on. I'm going to show you the command to burn your own DVD using any Linux ISO download of your choice. So first off, we need to identify our DVD drive, which we did right here. SR0 is usually what it's called on Linux. Then we're going to use this command. Let me back up a little bit for you. So here's the command you'll use. It's WODIM, and then we set our device here, which we saw after we used the lsblk command. Right here, we see it. We've put the full path in DEV equals. Then we have V for verbose, then we have data, and then we have the full path to our ISO download. Now, at this point, all I have to do is hit the Enter key. And there we go. We are already writing. And that's it. It's that easy. Once you have your Linux ISO download, once you've validated it and ensured it is not a malicious download, then you can run the command I just showed you, and you'll burn your own Linux DVD. Hope you found this useful. Make sure to repost it and follow for more.